Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to switch accounts on survivor.io. So as you can see, this is the application survivor.io, and if you want to change your account, so you will be not be able to do it within the this game. So if you want to change it, so how can you do it? So first of all, just go to the settings of your mobile phone if you're on Android or iPhone, and from here just search the application called Game Center. And once you search the application called Game Center, you just need to open the same application Game Center into your Android as well. So make sure to find Game Center and just open the Game Center. And as you can see, this is my email and this is my profile which is being used in Game Center, and the application called the survivor.io is basically linked with the Game Center. And if you are not using the Game Center ID, so you will not be able to play it. So this is my profile of Game Center. From here you can just scroll down and click on sign out, and once you sign out your Game Center ID, you will be your account will be removed from survivor.io as well. And from here you can just uh, log in with the another account that you want to use in survivor.io. So make sure to log in with that account in Game Center, and from here you can just clear the cache of the survivor.io or just clear the data. And once you clear the data, you can just again download it, and once you download it again, you this survivor.io will be added with this new account of Game Center that you have added. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can switch accounts on survivor.io.